Come here, dito. Dito ka mag-walk. Oo. Okay. Paborito niyang lugar.
Estate's favorite place. Wala na ibang mga arcades. Tinatanggal na nila. Bakit kaya? Nilalagay na nila sa...
Baka ilalagay sa ibang lugar. Kasi may ano dun eh, may ticket yun eh. Pressing the pedal, no? Gas, gas.
Marunong ka mag-drive? Do you know how to drive? Can you teach me how to drive? What's moving?
Ah, massage yun, massage.
Massage. Say massage. Say police car. Say movie. Say driving. How old are you?
2.
You're already 2.
You're 2.
How old are you? I'm 2.
2.
2 years old. What's your name?
Lana.
What's your name?
Wala na.
Jollibee, Happy, ano, kiddie meal.
Kiddie meal.
Wow! For you.
1. Oh, put it
1
down.
for you. 2 for you. Again. And then, the last one is 3. You have 3 gifts. Gifts from mommy and daddy. Wow! Are you happy? You have a lot. Happy birthday. Oh, wow, nice.
Extended, ano.
Open the gift. Okay. Let's open first this one. What could it be? What's inside? What could it be? You stand up. What's inside? What could it be? What's inside? What's inside? Oh yeah. The magic kiddie meal. Oh. What's that? Can you get it? Yeah. Wow.
Jollibee.
I'm so happy. Do you appreciate the gift? Huh? Okay, let's open the gift. Okay, so this is Johnny. No, Popo. Popo. You want to open? Popo. Popo. You want to see Popo? The real Popo. Oh my gosh, are you open? You open, you open. Open. This one. Wow.
Popo.
Wow, ito yung ganda naman.
May sticker ba ba? Oh, diretso na.
You press this on the ball. And then, pop it. Ang ganda oh, daddy.
Oo, yun yung mga ano eh, yung di ba sa Divisoria. Na ano, yung mga poppers.
Oo, poppers. Pero ito maganda dyan. Hindi pa. And then, press again. Oh. Ganda nito, daddy. No? Mas maganda yan. Ganda yung Loves collectible yun.
Oo. Pag tumagal, collectible na yan.
Wow. Hindi, ipipress mo. Press the ball. Then, pop it. Wow. You play this like a maze, or you know, papasok mo dun sa loob. Oh, paano papasok yan? Yun, oh, go. And then, outside.
Ganyan yung mga laruan dati pag birthday party. Yung isang part na yan.
Dito.
Oo, yung... Pero yan lang
Pero
yung...
isang part lang
Oo,
eh.
yung... ano lang yung maze.
Tapos may box pa, ano to eh, no-open to eh. Ay, wala na. Hindi mo ba ito na...
Ito, tingnan mo to.
Alam ko, hindi na-open to.
Tingnan mo to.
Tingnan natin yung manual. Estee, look! Let's open the other one. Wow! 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 Like, so cute! Sabi niya. Wow! Jollibee! Open natin si Jollibee. Okay. Daddy, can you open? Unboxing ng ano. Wow! Estee, look!
Parang ano...
Wow, Estee, oh, Lego. Parang Lego. Kala mo talagang nababasa niya eh. Are you happy? Look, Estee, oh, you have another toy. Tayo, habi mo. Puzzle, wow. Wow. Kabisado mo ba? Oh no, Jollibee. What is this? Ah, the robot is not here. The robot is sleeping.
Not moving.
Not moving. Not moving, robot. Lowbat. Lowbat robot. I'm a lowbat robot. I'm a lowbat robot. I'm a lowbat. Lowbat robot.
What?
You like to eat now? Yay!
Dito,
That's mushroom. Mushroom yan, anak.
matapin yung ano.
Gusto mo tabi kayo? O mamaya na. Kain siya. Ha? Kain ka? Naguguluhan siya kung kakain siya o maglalaro siya eh. What's this? Jolly Robot talaga. Pwede daw i-ano yun, yung Jolly Robot. Pwedeng i-request. Do the robot dance. Rockin' robot. Rockin' robot.
niya talaga itong ano? Walang kupas.
Walang kupas yung burger steak. Favorite niya yung burger steak ni Jollibee. Ganda yung laruan ni Popo. No? Kulit eh. Boy! Si Popo eh, boy! Next time naman. Oh, ayan oh.
Kakapin niya mouth. Big mouth. Big mouth, big mouth. One more to. Makain ka muna. We'll open more, ano. Open mouth.
Are you happy?